people of India are involved in agriculture activities. Option A 62, B 65, C 70, D 73.
Yes, what will be the answer for this? Who will say me?
70.
Yes, about 72%, 70, more than 70%. Okay, people of India are involved in agricultural activities. Okay, yes.
Number 2.
Next.
Bajri is grown in dash region. Option arid, B forest, C hilly, D coastal.
Yes, what will be the answer? Who will say?
And
Girls.
Coastal.
Who will
arid.
say? Who will say me the answer? Sarah.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the answer? Why you all have not learned? Monday
Ma'am,
is your exam.
Coastal.
Hello.
can I say
Yes, say.
arid?
Yes, right. Chalo, next one.
Number 3. Dash is the highest producer of Bajri. A. India, B. Kenya, C. Bhutan, D. Japan.
What will be whose mic may is coming the internal conversation? Yes, who will say the answer for this one?
India.
Yes, absolutely
India.
right. Chalo. Number 4, Almas. Almas,
Ma'am, can I?
what is your name? Yes, beta, what is your name?
Misbah.
Huh? Yes, chalo. Number 4, Sarah. Kakani Sarah, continue.
Number 4. Which crop can be grown well through dry farming?
Wait.
Yes, wheat, cotton, jute, and sugarcane is the option, right? And wheat is the
Wait.
answer. Chalo, next one.
Number 5. Dash percent of the total agricultural land of India is irrigated.
Chalo, who will say
Answer
that?
30.
Yes, 30% of total agricultural land of India is irrigated. Yes, next one.
Ma'am, can I read?
Who is it?
Misbah.
Huh? Ilsha?
Misbah.
है
Misbah.
मिस वेट सारा को दो चार तो रीड करने दो उसके बाद
Okay.
ओके यस सारा कंटिन्यू
6. Sugarcane grows well in dash climate.
Foggy and cold. And humid. Hot and humid.
सारा रीड द ऑप्शंस आल्सो
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Number 7. Cotton crop takes dash to dash months to get ready. Option A
5 and
2 3.
7.
Option B 3 5. Option C 5 7. Option D 6 8.
6 8. Option
what time does it take
6 and 8. 6
yes
8.
6 months to 8 months okay yes next one
Dash is called the wheat bowl of India. A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Gujarat.
Punjab.
yes it is also called the wheat bowl of India because maximum of wheat grows in Punjab
Punjab.
yes next Misbah continue
Yes, ma'am. Dash is the staple diet of most of the Indians. Option A wheat, B paddy, C corn, D millet. Answer is paddy.
Fourth, what is the answer?
Paddy.
Is she right, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here, if paddy answer is given, then wheat is also somewhat right. Okay. Yes. Okay,
Dash,
next one.
dash produces maximum tea in India. Option Assam, B Kerala, C Karnataka, D Tamil Nadu. Karnataka. Assam.
Hmm? Assam. Assam produces maximum tea in India. Yes. The 11th one you are not supposed to write, but we'll just read it and give the answer for this. Yes, read 11th one.
Where is tea grown? Number A slope, B soil where water accumulates.
The answer is slopy grounds. Okay.
Slope.
Yes,
Yes.
it never grows on a soil where water accumulates. That is why only tea is grown on slopy grounds. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Continue, Miss Ma.
Yes, ma'am. Answer in one or two sentences. Number one. How are crops useful? Answer. As food grains. B. As raw material for agro-based industries. C. Fodder for cattle.
Very good. Yes, very good. Chalo. Nine Modesa is there.
Ma'am, now can I read?
Yes, read beta.
Number second, write in the main groups grown in Gujarat. Answers: sorghum, wheat, millet, groundnut, and cotton.
Okay,
Number
1 minute,
three,
1 minute, 1 minute, beta. I like to do some corrections over here. How have I taught you to write the answers? Can anyone say me?
single sentence.
Yes. Who will read like that way?
Can I?
Yes, read beta.
Okay,
From
ma'am.
first one, okay?
Okay. Number one, how are crops useful? Crops are crops useful for number A as food grains, number B as raw material for agro-based industries, number C fodder for cattle. Number two,
Twice, beta, so that everyone can learn.
crops are useful for as fruit grains, as raw material for agro-based industries, fodder for cattle. Write the main crops grown in Gujarat.
The main crops grown in Gujarat.
Sorghum, wheat, millet, groundnut, and cotton are main crops grown in Gujarat.
Absolutely right.
Sorghum, wheat, millet, groundnut, and cotton are main crops grown in Gujarat. Number three, name few industries of Gujarat. Industries of
Few
Gujarat are
industries. Few industries.
Few industries of Gujarat are oil refinery, fertilizer, textile, diamond polishing, automobile, etc. Few industries of Gujarat are oil refinery, fertilizer, textile, diamond polishing, automobile, etc.
Very good.
What is normal agriculture? The agriculture which is dependent on monsoon is called normal agriculture. The
Absolutely
agri
right. The
the,
agriculture which
the
is dependent
agriculture
on monsoon only. Yes, means natural rainfall only. Right? Is called normal agriculture. Yes, once more, beta.
the agriculture which is dependent on monsoon is called normal agriculture. What
Yes.
is other name of normal agriculture? The other name of normal agriculture is unirrigated agriculture.
Unirrigated नहीं unirrigated बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं
Unirrigated agriculture. The other name of normal agriculture is unaggregated
un
agriculture.
unaggregated नहीं unirrigated.
Unirrigated agriculture.
Yes, very good.
Number six. Which states grow millet? मध्य प्रदेश, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu grow millet. मध्य प्रदेश, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu states grow millet. Which states grow bajra? Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh grow bajra. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh states grow bajra. Which states grow corn? Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh.
1 minute, 1 minute. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Yes, continue.
Karnataka, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh states grow corn.
Corn, sweet corn,
Kar-
you know, no? Sweet corn.
yes, ma'am. Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh grow corn. Which states grow groundnut? Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh grow groundnut. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and Madhya Pradesh grow groundnut.
Yes, anyone else would like to read from here? Yes, girls, anyone else? Okay, beta, continue, Zainab.
Number 10. What is dry farming? Water collects in the low areas during monsoon. After that, when the land gets dry, farming is done on it, which is called dry farming.
Very good. What
Water
is dry farming? Okay, yes,
Water
continue.
collects in low areas during monsoon. After that, when the land gets dry, farming is done on it, which is called dry farming.
Absolutely right, which is called dry farming. Now, what is irrigated agriculture?
What is irrigated agriculture?
Okay,
Well,
11th
farm.
number you are not supposed to do. You are
Yes.
supposed to do only till 10th. Yes. Who will read? I want someone else also to read. मोहदेसा जैनब जैनब ने तो रीड किया अभी और कोई
Yes, ma'am.
yes almas is almas
Yes, ma'am.
madhwani sakina is there himani sakina
Ma'am, they
madhwani
are,
sakina
but they are not giving.
they are there but they are not giving answers
Yes.
okay okay nakvi tafsir is there no
Yes.
nakvi tafsir are you there tafsir fatima
Ma'am, can I read
who is it
Gabrani Sakina?
okay
No, ma'am.
gabrani
Tafsir is not there.
okay she has left okay gabrani sakina bas bhai you read
Okay. Filling the blanks. Number one. The prosperity of the country is based on its dash agriculture.
absolutely right the
Number two.
prosperity of the country is based on its agriculture
Number second. Dash is used as grain as well as food for animals. Answer is corn.
yes
Corn is
corn
used
corn
as grain as well as food for animals. Number
absolutely right
three. Dash state grows maximum groundnut. Answer is Gujarat. Gujarat
absolutely right
state
gabrani sakina
Gujarat state maximum groundnut. Number four. Jhut cro- uh, Jhut crop takes dash months to grow. 8 to 10. Answer.
absolutely right
Jhut crops take 8 to 10 months to grow. Number
very
5.
good gabrani sakina
Oil extract from the seeds is called cottonseed oil. And,
Yes, very good.
number fifth, oil extract from cottonseed
Extracted. Okay,
extracted from cotton seeds is called cotton seeds oil.
very good.
Number six, dash wheat of Gujarat is very famous. Answer is Bhalia. Bhalia
Bhalia,
wheat of
Bhalia, Bhalia go in Gujarat, na? That is very much famous. Understood, girls? You can ask your parents. They will say you. They will, if they are using Bhalia gaon, they will also show you. Okay, Bhalia wheat of Gujarat is very famous. Okay,
yes,
yes. Continue, Sakina.
Bhalia wheat of Gujarat is very famous. Number seventh, dash dash introduced coffee to the world. Answer is Kaldi.
Hmm.
Kaldi introduced coffee is the to the world. Number 8. Sugar is prepared from dash. Sugar is prepared from sugar cane juice.
Very good. I guess
No,
Sakina, आप फेयर बुक कंप्लीट है आपकी है ना?
yes.
Very good. चलो continue.
Number 9. Dash is known as the father of iron and steel industry. Answer is
Jamshedji Tata.
Jamshedji Tata. Jamshedji Tata is known as the father of iron and steel industry. Number 10. Jute cloth is made from the dash of jute group. Answer is strings. Jute cloth is made from strings of jute.
Very good, Sakina. Very good. I'm really very happy. Chalo, now who would like to read? True or false? Revise true or false?
Okay.
Yes. Who will like to read true or false?
Ma'am, can I?
Who is it?
Ma'am, can I almost?
Yes, Modesa, you can. Almost afterwards your turn.
True or false? Number one. If you or your laborer not provide to your crop, you are still growing durable. True. 70% of India's land.
Okay, twice revise करना है. We cannot. Revision is to be done twice.
If you or your laborers do not provide water to your crops, you are still growing your crops normally. True.
Yes, absolutely. It's a true statement, right?
70% of India's land
Does
does not
not.
have irrigation facilities. False. Yes, true, true, sorry.
Oh, 70%, 30% पे ही होता है. Okay.
Yes. This
Yes.
Juar is called village.
Second time, number two.
Yes. 70% of India's land does not get irrigation facilities. True. In English, Juar is called millet. False. In English, Juar is called millet. False.
Yes,
50%
next.
are extracted from groundnut alone. True. Yes, 50% oil is extracted from groundnut alone. True. The key sector of woolen industry is false. It is the largest sector of woolen industry is false. Number
Jamshedpur.
Jamshedpur is in Jharkhand state. True. Is in state. True. Number 7. Jute industry is quite widespread in India.
Widespread.
Widespread in India. False. Jute industry is quite widespread in India. False. Number 8. India has the largest road network in the world. True. India has the largest road network in the world. True. Number 9. Waterway infrastructure is mostly developed on perennial rivers only. True. Waterway
Infrastructure.
infrastructure is most infrastructure is mostly developed on perennial rivers only. True. India Airlines is two countries. What India is two states. One. India Airlines is countries that countries and India is two states. False. Number 11. Commercially, you cannot grow tea or planes. True. Tea or planes. True. Commercially, you cannot grow tea or planes. True.
Then where can we grow tea, beta?
In garden.
Hey? Where can we grow tea? No one knows.
Tea, tea.
Did this last MCQ?
Where is tree grown?
Answer is slope. On slopy
Answer
areas,
A.
hilly
Slope.
mountain areas, slopy areas पे ही tea का growth है because here soil where water is accumulating at that places tea cannot grow. जहाँ पे पानी इकट्ठा
Yes.
होवे, yes, ऐसी जगह पे टी टी का ग्रो प्रोडक्शन नहीं हो सकता. Understood? Tea plants cannot grow. Okay, girls, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So by this we finish this lesson revision. Long question answers एक बार खाली read कर डालते हैं. Okay? Yes, Almaz, read the long question answers so that ऐसा ना रहे कि हमने ये किया नहीं. Only one I given. चलो continue. Almaz, read.
State and explain main types of agriculture of India. Also give examples. Normal unirrigated
Types
agriculture.
of agriculture in India are
Types of agriculture in India are non normal unirrigated agriculture. The agriculture in which water is provided through monsoon rains only is called normal
normal.
unirrigated agriculture. For example, millet, jowar, bajra, corn, groundnut, etc. etc. Number two, dry farming. During monsoon, water gets accumulated in low-lying regions of lands. Agriculture done after monsoon, when such water dries up, is called dry farming. For example, wheat. Number three, irrigated farming. The land where farming is done by providing water manually, that is, through irrigation, is called irrigated farming. In irrigated farming, water is provided through wells, lakes, canals, etc. In India, 30% of agricultural land gets the facility of irrigation. In India, 30, for example, sugarcane, cotton, jute, paddy, etc. Number 4. Plantation farming. Farming done in gardens is called plantation farming. For example, tea, coffee, fruits, vegetables, coconuts.
Yes. Understood? This long question answers are not in our paper stack, but this it can be asked as a short form also. Dry farming, explain irrigated farming, plantation farming, or normal farming. Understood? Normal agriculture. Understood, girls?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
wait
ma'am.
1 minute. Wait. Okay, I'll present my screen again. Just a minute, huh, beta? I'll open the PDF. Can you see my screen?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, who has the sixth lesson? सिक्स्थ लेसन किसके पास है? कैन यू शेयर योर स्क्रीन? सिक्स्थ लेसन
Ma'am, I have.
या आप शेयर करोगे अलमास?
Ma'am, I also have.
हाँ,
I also have.
one of you share so that we can do some revision from that also. Who is sharing? Are you sharing, beta?
Ma'am, I am sharing.
Okay. Can you maximize it? We can see
Is
Sarah.
that?
Almas, I can. We can see your screen. आप इसको मैक्सिमाइज करो ना अलमास.
Ma'am, is it okay?
या मैक्सिमाइज करो इसको अलमास. रूबी मैम.
Ma'am, the last words will not fulfill.
रूबी मैम. Yes, okay. Mughal Empire, Golden Age and downfall.
Sharing is something for a miss.
Yeah, you stop recording. We have done this revision, and
Okay.
it is deleted from my phone, so we are sharing from.
Okay. Okay. So shall I keep the recording? No, I will. Should I upload?